You won't believe what the hidden camera caught the elves doing. First, one of the elves manages to get himself stuck inside a hat. After coming to life, it looks like they have managed to solve the Rubik's Cube. Keep watching for more elf footage.
Right folks, we're back with another video. Now if you remember the last video, at the very end we seen Batman making a wee sneaky appearance. Now, I've come to the conclusion that whatever magic is making the elves move at night is probably the same magic that's making Batman move. So I came up with a plan. I went up to my attic last night and I brought down a friend. Now you all recognise him, so I'm hoping if the elves start to get a bit mischievous tonight, I have Batman, I have Superman on my side, so I think I'm going to win.
Later that night,